one. Let us see. Yan, ganun lang guys ang ginagawa. Uy, it's like nothing because maybe you don't have gloves? Ayan na guys, tingnan nyo. Uy.
The soil is so wet.
The soil is so wet, honey, that's why. Ang dami guys, oh. Kaso lang, ayan, show it here, honey. Yan, tingnan nyo, paghugasan namin yan mamaya. Yan. Yan ang aming patatas. How many lines you're going to get? Okay.
There's a lot.
Yeah, there is a lot, but the soil is wet. That's why. Yeah. Yan ang aming patatas.
It make a lot of small.
A small one, yeah. That last time you put it, right?
Yeah, you see.
Ayan na guys. Ayan, marami.